Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to interface or connect nuMROBO with Arduino IDE. So we will learn how to download and install nuMROBO library and how to burn a code into nuMROBO. So let's start. First of all, connect your nuMROBO with the computer using the programming port of Arduino compatible Uno board. To do this, take your programming cable and insert one side of this programming cable into the Arduino compatible Uno board and other side to your computer. Now let's move to your computer screen, and here we need to download and install Arduino IDE software, which is a platform using which we can write and upload the programs into your Arduino compatible Uno board. To do this, open your browser and search for Arduino IDE on the Google. Now open the official download page of Arduino IDE, which will generally be the first link from your Google search. From this download page, you need to download the Arduino IDE for your operating system. Since we are using the Windows operating system, we will download the Windows installer of Arduino IDE. Just click on Just Download option in order to start downloading the Arduino IDE software installer. After some time, your installer file will start downloading and it will take some time as per your internet connection speed. Once your file is completely downloaded, simply run the file either directly from your browser or by going to your downloads folder. An installer setup window will appear. Simply follow the on-screen instructions in order to completely install the Arduino IDE software into your computer. The installer will also prompt you to install few drivers. Please don't forget to install these drivers by simply clicking on the install button. These drivers are very important for connecting your Arduino compatible Uno board with your Arduino IDE. Now we can see that our Arduino IDE has been successfully installed into our computer. Simply close the installer and run our Arduino IDE by double clicking on the Arduino icon present on your desktop. Now we also need to download and install the nuMROBO library into our Arduino IDE so that we can program our nuMROBO. This nuMROBO library will also contain various built-in example codes which will be very helpful to us. To download and install the nuMROBO library, simply go to Tools and then click on Manage Libraries option. A new Library Manager window will appear. Now search for nuMROBO in this Library Manager. A library named nuMROBO by nuMectro technology will appear in the search results. This is an Arduino library for programming nuMROBO robot made by nuMectro technology. Click on the install button in order to install the library. Once this library is installed, an installed label will appear in front of the library. Now close the library manager. Since the nuMROBO library is installed, we will see how to open the built-in example codes for nuMROBO. To do this, go to File and then click on Examples and then nuMROBO. Now, here 3 built-in example codes for Bluetooth control robot, line follower robot and obstacle avoidance robot are present. Click on any of these example codes to open it. Now I will show you how to upload a code into our Arduino compatible Uno board. But before uploading the code, there are few Arduino IDE settings which we need to check. To do this, first of all, go to Tools and check that board is selected as Arduino Uno. Then the port on which our Arduino compatible Uno board is connected is also selected, and the programmer is selected as AVR-ISP MK2. Now let's move on to uploading the codes into our Arduino compatible Uno board. Now open any of the built-in example codes for nuMROBO. For example, we are opening example code for Bluetooth controlled robot. Now compile the code by clicking on the verify button. Once the compiling is done, upload the code by clicking on the upload button. With this, our interfacing nuMROBO with Arduino IDE video is completed. Please don't forget to watch our other tutorial videos. Thank you.